Hey there everyone. This video I'll teach you how to master data without knowing a single line of code. We're going to learn how to create these types of figures and get interesting insights of our data, of our Excel files, CSVs, or any other data files with a single click without understanding any code. It will be great, fast, and easy. In order to proceed, we're going to use Google Colab to run the generated code and ChatGPT to create the code. This app is great for people who do not want to pay the $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus using the code interpreter. And this is a great alternative for anybody that doesn't know how to write code or program and wants to get amazing insights of his data. Let's try the Titanic dataset. It contains information about all the passengers aboard, including whether they survived or not. And let's try it out. We're going to check out these questions using my app. I'll teach you step by step. We first open the app and press enter here. A Google Colab notebook opens with instructions. The first thing is to press play on the first cell. And then we're going to upload our Excel file, specifically our CSV file, our Titanic dataset. Let's do it. We press play, run anyway. We wait a second. And then we're going to upload the Titanic dataset. We press and choose files. Here's our titanic.csv. We wait while the app generates the prompt. Click here to copy and paste it in the ChatGPT window. Okay. I go to ChatGPT, a new conversation, new chat, and Control V to paste. Enter. And we wait. And let's go to our slide to see what's our first question. What was the age distribution of the passengers? Okay, let's try that out. ChatGPT is generating random code for our first prompt. Well, let's try what was the age distribution of our passengers. Enter. ChatGPT generates the relevant code. Let's press copy code. Go back to our Google Colab notebook. Paste the ChatGPT code here. Let's paste it, Control V, and play. Check it out. Nice. Amazing. We got a great graph here. Let's try our next question. What is the relationship between passenger class and survival rate? Go back to ChatGPT. I'll add also, make sure the title is in English. Copy code. Go back to our app, the Google Colab. You can create a new code cell here. Control V and play. Check it out. Wow. We just wrote a question, copy the code, paste it here in Google Colab. We got the relevant graph. Let's try another question. Is there a significant difference in the average fare paid by passengers in different classes? Go back to ChatGPT, write the question, press enter. To determine if there's a significant difference in the average fare paid by passengers, you can perform an ANOVA test. Here, copy the code, go back to the Colab, create a new code cell, paste the code, and run. Let's check it out. Amazing. Here's the graph. And here is the ANOVA results. Let's take these ANOVA results, paste it in ChatGPT. Is there a significant difference? Yes. Nice. So as you can see, with our app using Google Colab and ChatGPT, you can get any insights regarding your data without knowing how to code and just running the code that ChatGPT gives you. Notice your Excel files, your CSV files, you're uploading to Google Colab, which is safe. And the file is not going into ChatGPT. Only the metadata of the file is entered to ChatGPT in the beginning. Hope you enjoyed this video. You can ask questions in the comment and share this video with others. To access the app, you go to tinyurl.com/data now. Have fun. Good luck.